Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up newbie share on your Oppo Reno 7 Lite device. So firstly, you need to open control panel and enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. So cool. Now find here newbie share, click and hold on it, enable newbie share of course, and click on this button. Scroll down, click agree, and cool. Here you can rename your device, for example 7 Lite. Click rename. You can change your device visibility mode as to use everyone mode. You can change data usage mode and cool. So cool. Now we can use a newbie share. We can send files and images using newbie share. We can receive files and images using newbie share. For example, I want to share this image using newbie share from my OnePlus device to my Oppo device. So by clicking on the send button on OnePlus device and share by newbie share, I will see here my 7 Lite device. And by accepting on my OnePlus device or on my Oppo device, image will be sent. So just wait it. So cool. Now you can open this image, you can send this image, share with newbie share. So cool, that's it. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.